and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, we're gonna do something just like a little bit different. It's gonna be a little more personal, but just wanted to share some news. You know that I have my YouTube channel and you know that I do hair and makeup on the side, but that doesn't pay all the bills. Like we have a house and we like to do things and go on vacation. So I do have like what they call a day job. And my day job has been being a bartender. I've worked at a couple really cool places. I work at places that are like very homey. Today I'm actually dressed and ready to work my last shift as a bartender. I'm like excited about it, nervous about it. I've actually already started my new job. Oh my goodness. So I just got done with my 4th day of my new job. My new job is that I'm an event planner for a country club. So I'm here now. There's a, here's all crazy, golf course to that side. That's like the 18th hole right there, in case you were wondering. And the clubhouse is like right ahead. And I was just feeling really good walking out of there today. So I just thought this was a good time to tell you about this new job. I started that on Monday. So I've had 2 shifts that have overlapped and this is my last one. So I actually worked already earlier today at my new job. And now I'm going to my old job. Over the past couple times in my head, I'm like, oh my gosh, my last day is coming up. Like, what's the last drink I'm going to like professionally pour? Like, I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'll find out tonight. But yeah, I'll tell you all about my other job here in a second, but I just kind of wanted to share just a little piece of my life with you that's going on right now because it's just what's happening and it's a semi-big deal, I think, to change careers. I am loving it so far. I love learning new things, first of all. Like, I love putting things together. I love things that have like a rhyme and a reason. That's why I always loved math growing up. I was really good at it in school and everyone always thinks I'm crazy for it, but I loved it because it had like an answer. You put 2 things together and they equal something. There was no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You couldn't debate it. That's just how it was and that's why I liked it. And that's kind of how this is because you plan things have a certain price. There's a certain this, that, the other. You have a number of people, you need a number of tables, you need a number of chairs. Like, things just add up and make sense. So it's been super fun. So I have like so much in my brain right now though, because I'm just learning everything. And it's all things that will become muscle memory, but because I've never done them before, computer stuff, that's what I'm talking about. Everything else I'm pretty good at. I'm good at, you know, planning and helping people create events, like got that, no problem. It's just the paperwork stuff that I'm learning that is, you know, gonna take a hot second because it needs to become all muscle memory. But once you've done it once or twice, 3 times, you know, you get it and you understand it and all has a rhyme or a reason. So it makes sense, which I love. Off to work I go. Let's do this. I've been mixing 2 different lip colors lately, doing like a darker on the outside and a lighter in the middle, and I've been loving it. I posted on Instagram the other day. I don't know if you saw it. Follow me. Ashley Life, same thing as my YouTube. You can find me. I do a lot of fun little stories and I think you like them. Ooh, okay, let's do this last shift. What's cool too is that the days are super flexible. I don't work all weekends. I don't work at nights. I work mostly during the day. And if I need a certain day off during the week, I just take that day off and then I work another day. Like, nothing is like set in stone. And that's what I really, really like about it. Like, the club I work at, I feel like I'm pretty lucky. I don't know if it's like that everywhere, but it's like that at the one I'm at, which is kind of why I took the position. I honestly never thought I would find another job that would be as flexible as bartending. Let me see if this back door's open, which it is. I know. Oh my gosh, look how fun my work friends are. They're my real friends, but I met them at work. They're so cute. And they got me little chocolates in my card. If you're wondering how I got this job without looking for it, because I wasn't even looking for it, I actually was bartending once a week at this club, as well as working at the other place. And so that's how they knew me. And so when this position became available, the girl that I'm working under, she actually approached me and was like, you know, have you ever thought about event planning? And I was like, no. And she's like, I honestly think you'd be really good at it. I have a spot open right now and I think that you should interview and just see. And I was like, you know, okay. I was like, you know, I didn't know what to think at first because I hadn't been thinking about changing my position. It's been good how it has been, you know. I was intrigued by the idea of doing something different and learning something new because I love learning new things. So I just was like, let's just see what happens. So I interviewed and I beat out everybody else. So here I am. thing is that I could still do all my other stuff. My YouTube, I could still do hair and makeup on the side, like I have been doing, and it's like I have the best of both worlds.
We're gonna miss you so much! It's a piece of our heart! It says we love you!
So nice. Anyways, I just wanted to give you just a little bit of an update on what's going on with me like right now. And so I hope you enjoyed this little peep into my life. And yeah, I'll see you next time with a good life hack or something for your hair, maybe makeup. Actually, let me know what you'd like to see. Put them in the comments below. And after you do that, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Oh my gosh, I've totally had tears. I've met so many great people. I've just made so many great friendships. And it's just gonna be hard not to see them like a few days a week, because people you work with, sometimes you see more than the family you have or the person you're married to, for crying out loud. You know, sometimes you're with people you work with a lot more than you think. Oh gosh, it's hard to say goodbye. And I know it's not goodbye. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna see them, and now I get to visit them and have them, you know, make me a drink, give me a salad. It's just so crazy how like happy and sad I am. I'm really happy for what I'm doing because I'm enjoying what I'm doing. And I'm really glad that the jobs have overlapped just a little bit and I was able to do that because I got to start a new job and get the feeling for it. But I also got to finish my old job and realize that I'm okay moving on and moving into this new job. Like, I'm not gonna hate this new job. I already know that because I have been loving it so far, and I know it's only gonna get better because the first days you start any new job are the hardest because that's when you're learning. I know if I already love it, I'm going to love it. So it makes leaving a job that I know I like and love a little easier, if that makes any sense. I have like my balloons in the back and my little sign that my friend gave me and said she's gonna miss me. And I have these cards that people gave me, and honestly, I haven't even read the insides yet. They're signed. I tried for a moment while I was inside to read them, and I was like, oh my gosh, I am going to cry. I can't do it right now. I just can't. It's just too much, and it's so sweet and so nice, and I'm so thankful for all the friendships that I've made working this job. And I'm going on to a new step and moving forward. It's gonna be kind of interesting. So I'm really excited for the change. Why didn't you tell me that my necklace was backwards that whole time? Oh my gosh, so rude.